Interesting facts about Komodo dragon. Komodo dragons are only found in one country. Komodo dragons call 5 small islands in Indonesia home. This makes them the predator with the smallest home range in the world. 4 of the 5 are found within Komodo National Park. Research suggests that they may have originated from Australia. To various studies, there is fossil and DNA evidence, dating back roughly 4 million years ago, that suggests that Komodo dragons originated in Australia. Fossils have been found throughout eastern Australia that are nearly ident. The Komodo dragon is the largest living lizard. While they aren't quite as large as the dragons of fairy tales or their ancient ancestors, they're much bigger than the lizards typically found roaming the garden. Most Komodo dragons can grow to the length of a small car. The largest verified specimen was 10 feet 3.13 meters long and weighed about 365 pounds 166 kilograms. Their tail is as long as their body. One thing that helps contribute to its length is the size of a Komodo dragon's tail. The tail is nearly as long as the body, and just as strong too. Often acting as an extra limb, the tail is strong enough to take down a deer with a single whip. It's hard to tell males and females apart. Though male Komodo dragons tend to grow larger than females, there is virtually no morphological differences to tell them apart. Not only do researchers have a hard time determining sexes, but the dragons themselves appear to have trouble figuring it out. Determining the sex of an animal is especially important for captive breeding programs. One subtle hint is a scale pattern difference near the cloaca, however, this isn't always consistent. In captivity, researchers will use DNA technology for sex determination. Komodo dragons don't waste their food. These monitor lizards are considered to be one of the most efficient eaters in the animal kingdom. Most large carnivores tend to like up to 30% of their kill unconsumed. Komodo dragons, on the other hand, consume about 88% of their prey, including the bones, hooves, hide, and intestines. They can go through 4 to 5 sets of teeth in their lifetime. Komodo dragons have 60 razor-sharp teeth that are meant for tearing off large chunks of flesh. A Komodo dragon can grow through as many as 5 sets of teeth in their lifetime. Komodo dragons are venomous. As one of the few venomous lizards on the planet, a Komodo dragon bite is not something you would want to incur. When the lizard bites into its prey, venom seeps into the wound through ducts that are located between the teeth. Adult Komodo dragons are known to eat younger Komodo dragons. Mature Komodo dragons have been known to cannibalize juvenile monitors within their species. To prevent this, young dragons will often roll in the feces of adult dragons to take on their scent. Young dragons are also more arboreal, whereas adults usually stick to the land and water. They have an excellent sense of smell. Komodo dragons uses their sense of smell as their primary food detector. They use their long, forked tongue to sample airborne molecules. This can tell them everything from how far away prey may be and which direction it is headed. Komodo dragons are fast. Most reptiles are limited when it comes to agility. However, monitor lizards have a genetic adaptation that gives them increased aerobic capacity. When going after a kill, a Komodo dragon can typically reach speeds of 13 miles per hour. Not only do they move fast on land, but they are excellent swimmer. They can reproduce asexually. Komodo dragons can reproduce asexually through a process called parthenogenesis, which means the female can lay eggs without the help of a male to fertilize them. Only around 70 species in the world have shown this behavior. Attacks on humans are rare, but do happen. Komodo dragons generally avoid contact with humans. However, there's been 24 reported attacks on humans between 1974 and 2012, with several fatalities. Thank you for watching.